Today we're going to check out westernrise's newest collection for the summer. It's the Outbound color camp. I've got all three designs right here that we're going to check out. We've got the Elm, we've got the Black Topo, we've also got the Pacific. And they have really nice sealed enclosures, also very structured and rugged. So I find I use it on my travel just to put like some slippers. Nice. Like the Elm, it's got more of that square pattern. Ooh, this one looks fire. It's also got the square pattern design, but ooh, really slick. They are all square cuts, but they do have a side split to help with the movement and the flow. Smart casual, dressier. If you're traveling a lot, you can just take a few of these and it's not going to add to your allowance, but really give you a lot of outfitting options. And they both have that same square design. There's no topography design like on the Black. And here's a closer look. That topo really pops. And this is a nice, like, relaxed fit. You could go for a size down to make it more fitted, but I think this also gives you a good chance to use it as a layer. And I'm wearing the Versa hat, by the way, in its navy. Normally I go like this, but for this outfit, just gives it the casual vibe. And it's got kind of longer sleeves. So yeah, if you're a fan of that, it's going to give you a bit more extra coverage. All right, now we've got that Outbound camp collar in a Pacific blue. It's got a nice fit on the body. It's a bit more on the looser side, so you can go true to your size. And it's got some nice airiness. You can see it in the lower collar of the neck. And it even has Western debossed on the sides of those buttons. So just those attention to details, squared hatched pattern that runs from top to bottom. Nice and visible as a pattern, but it's quite subtle. It doesn't stand out hugely. Side splits on the hem. Aids with movement, so if you are walking around a lot, this kind of flows with your body nicely. It doesn't feel restrictive. You can roll it once or twice. I find it just gives it a bit more of a nicer aesthetic, but again, if you like the looseness, absolutely go with the sleeves how they're supposed to. You can also style it if you are wearing it on its own. You've got nice length, slightly longer than my waist, and I'm wearing a size large. Big thumbs up for me with the Pacific alongside the X Cotton Henley tee, which time and time again I also mention how it's one of my favorite everyday staples to wear. Underneath, it gives a nice contrast and complements it very well. I've also stylized it by folding over the sleeve. And yeah, you can see it's a nice contrast, really nice on the sleeve. If it's sunny, but it's a little bit breezy, then I find the X Cotton Henley just gives me a bit more warmth. Layer up and down depending on how the weather changes over time. And this Outbound collar just gives it a little bit more character or style to the overall look. But again, you can take it off and smarten up with just the white, or wear this on its own for a super airy feel. You've got good length on these sleeves and also provides a bit more layer. You can just see the Henley tee peeking over because it's slightly raised from the lower Outbound camp collar. Yeah, whichever you prefer. This is just how I like to rock it and kind of style it to my taste. As default garments, I think you can rock them. I definitely find westernrise are pieces that go along and complement nicely. And again, this looks very nice, and you've got a bit more blue showing through, like so. Very airy. It's got some nice warmth that it captures. Also super lightweight and easy to pack down, so all of these are kind of travel friendly. All right, so we've got the Outbound camp collar in Elm. This one completely switches up from the Pacific, which had a nice cooler tone. This one's more in nature, minty or a modern green to it. Square pattern seen on the Pacific still kind of pops off. Green is an acquired preference, so whether green kind of suits your skin tone or your overall look, even your outfits, but it has its place. You can just see how it falls on my body. It's got a very nice silhouette that is flattering, and it just hangs on the shoulder. It's not restricting or holding me back. And on its own, I think the green actually looks very nice. These shirts work great if you are heading to the beach. Rock this after, say, going for a swim. Alrighty, so I've got the same X-Cotton Henley in white, and we can throw on the Outbound camp collar, extra dimension to the elm. So we've got the white underneath, but also on the sleeves. And you can see how it really changes up the way I've styled the Outbound camp. If you take a bit more time making sure it's all lined up from the back and underneath, yeah, this is definitely how I like to wear it. And again, having it loose, really awesome. And I haven't really styled it like this. Normally I kind of complement the shades, but yeah, this actually works well too. Normally I'll just do it up to here, exposes slightly underneath, and we've got nice roomy pockets. That's gonna keep your hands warm, but also chest pocket for any valuables that you'd like to throw in. So that's the elm version of the Outbound camp collar. Now we're gonna finally move on to the Topo Black. It's just strikingly different from the other two, mainly because it's got the topography graphic that you might be able to make out all over. I guess you can say it's like a matte black that kind of hits different with the light. You got the same matte finish on the buttons with Western, which is really cool. The overall fabric feel, I like how it's got some stretch to it as well. It definitely folds all the way up, so it's not something that I would typically do. Inside, the panels, how it's all stitched up, holes that you can kind of peer through when the light hits it from behind. Very well made, durable. The stitching's all very good. There we go. So familiar scene with the X-Cotton Henley, having it buttoned up once. The white also just gives it a nice contrast. Yeah, switches up the outfit very well. Folds really flat when you are packing it down for your travels. So I find I save a ton of extra space in my carry-ons, my backpack. If I'm trying to go super lean, it feels a little bit cool to the body. Helps to kind of cool yourself if you are working up a sweat or very hot. Kind of lifts up and livens up the overall outfit. Yeah, looks great. One final addition and bonus for the Topo Black is how it also works well with the black of the X-Cotton Henley. You can never go wrong with a staple black, and the X-Cotton Henley tee always looks great. It's got a modern cut and finish. Again, with the curved hem, it's a lot longer as a length. I always prefer to have one button undone just to kind of relax the whole look. Funnily enough, I haven't worn these two together often for some reason. I think when it's the summer, I always defaulted to the white Henley, but both of these as a black, yeah, you don't have to do this. This is literally just me. Phew. And actually, yeah, this black looks dope. And you can see the shade of the black, like this is definitely a pure black. Chocolatey brown or a slightly brighter black. This was the westernrise Outbound camp collar. Now, if you are looking to pick yourself up some westernrise gear or even the Outbound camp collar, don't forget to use my exclusive discount code to help you save. You'll find my link and the discount code in the comments and the video description. I enjoyed these ones. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, keep being awesome. Peace. Oh, it stayed on my shoulder. See ya.